Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are doing good. Sorry for being late this morning. Just had to sort out another meeting very quickly. Good news, guys. Good news. So, I finally am affiliated with Deriv. So if you guys have not yet opened an account with Deriv, here's a link. Link is in the comments. You can open your account with Deriv over here. I will be getting in touch with them later on to see who I have referred to them and so forth. But yeah, guys, how was your weekend? Hope you guys had a great weekend. Thanks, Ed. Appreciate it. One thing quickly. I need to charge my phone quickly. I have to grab a charger real quick. Sorry, crazy morning my side. Okay, so let's quickly jump into boom here. jump here. Quickly analyze boom. So initially, looking at what's happening over here, I'll be very honest with you. I'm very tempted to see a move to the downside like this. I want boom to go down from this point, but just for me to sell from here, stop is a bit wide, like 60 pips, so I'd rather wait it out or see price so it can form a new high before I try anything on there. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour. Because also in the 4 hour, we basically still have this imbalance over here to be filled. Now this could act as supply and seeing this as liquidity, meaning turtle soup. This could easily be turtle soup, and that break below now there was your indication that price has respected, and technically our entry should have then be around there, but yeah, unfortunately we missed that entry, but we'll just keep an eye on price here and see what we can get. Basically get another level of reference to refer to. If you guys have not yet done so, please like the stream, please share it with your fellow traders, and let's get some more people in here. Let's empower them as well. I would say next stop on boom would be all the way up here. If price does decide to basically keep on pushing towards the upside. Quite interesting up here over here. I would say maybe we'll keep an eye here on the 250 level. In correlation with this fair value over here. So maybe that's the point we're gonna be looking at for potential sales to come through here on boom. Okay, I see we have some retracement here. I see we have some retracement. My only concern is, man, it's still so big, man. It's still so big. I'd rather wait. Crash 500 at these lows. Interesting. So similar concept here if you want to see this turtle soup. I told you guys I am willing to take re-entries on my trade, so just be mindful here. So lower low has been made. Oh guys, this is our trade here. This is actually our trade, yeah. So guys, I'm gonna execute a little long here. It is risky, but I am willing to take that shot. I am willing to take that shot, me. I am willing to take a shot. Okay, so I took a little buy there. Can be aggressive for this one, so we can go for 13 pip stop. 13 pip stop. Already have some pullback there. And very simple how I'm gonna do on this one. I'll be targeting yesterday's Asian high. So I'm gonna see price go all the way over here. That's the final target. That's the final target. But to keep it simple, you guys can just go for a 3.5. Quickly share this link with the rest of the members. There's the peoples. Hey Ryan, hope you're doing good, man. I didn't know, welcome to chat. Crypto 2, welcome my brother. Stainsburg, welcome glad you're here. Ed, thanks for support as always, my man. Callan, Lucrecio, and Ryan, welcome, my brother. How's it, Chief? How was the weekend? Chilled weekend, my man. I spent enough time with the wifey, sorting out a few things, and yeah, spent some time with the family. Excited for this week. Little drawdown here immediately, first day of the week. Let's see what's gonna happen. Sorry, let me just add this on here. I didn't, I took this off, my bad. Watermark. Okay, the links are sent, the links are done. Hey everyone, the Random Kid, welcome my brother, welcome, we're doing good. Mr. Breitenbach, morning. Jevo, good morning, how you doing my man? Hope you guys had a great weekend. Oh damn. Yeah, Crash is starting off with the bang this week. Let's see. The next on the table for me here will be this lows over here. I can't even go back that far in time because I need to refine that zone. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Will price stop us out or will just be a sweep? I'm tempted to sell boom, but my only concern is the stop loss size. Only concern is the stop loss size. Jevo, I'm looking for sales on 80.76 on styles for step. Okay, let's see. Oh, jumped in a range that I've marked out. Okay, so I'm gonna wait here on jump as well. Wait for price to trade into this level. So we can look for some longs. Okay, so Mr. Breitenbach asked for some step there. Okay, guys, this looks more potential over here. Actually gonna take a sell here as well. And this will be my last bullet for the session. Yeah, it's still big. 30 pips. So I'm just sorting something out quickly. Okay, and step. Man's looking for sells and step. My only concern with that sell is if you're referring to the zone here for sells. My only concern with that is you could have a reaction around the zone, yeah, but it wasn't the zone which caused a break of structure. So if this was the cause of the break of structure, I would consider it, but currently the trend is bullish. So in my book, the way I see it, step will do something like this. So maybe I have a reaction from that point, but then the long term move is still to go up. So Asian high still untested on this. So Mr. Breitenbach, for my book, I can't do anything on step right now at the moment. I had to see a breakout. So I'll patiently wait. Patiently gonna wait. This thing pulled back more. Damn it. Shoo. It's close to our stop. So it's either gonna stop us out, or it's gonna hit back to this level, and then we're gonna be good. And we'll be good. Brett Flow, good morning my brother, hope you're doing good, man. Patiently see if we can get here. On boom, very simple as well. You can just target the Asian low. That's a nice 1 to 8 there. So I don't have a problem with that. Let's see what's gonna happen here and crash. Will we eat the stop, or will she actually bless us and recover? I'm just sorting something out there inside. It's different now being at home, because I'm starting to realize actually how much I have to do at home. It's hard being a man. I'm not complaining, but it's hard sometimes. It's hard. Good morning, Arno. Good morning, Brett. Hope you guys are doing good, man. Hope you guys are doing good. How was your weekend? How was you guys' weekend? You guys had some fun? You guys have a chilled one? We're gonna watch closely. I think it's almost done. Just give me 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. So I'm here, we're just waiting for a plumber to come because yeah, the toilet has a problem. I dropped a bomb in there and I blocked it, I think. Nah, just jokes. I didn't do that. But it flow all good, bro. I was sorting out some things at the house, but otherwise rustig. See some of the fam on Discord were eating. Some of the fans were eating things. Yeah, and yeah, Brett. I figured this weekend I'm gonna do things more privately. So I share with you guys privately in the mentorship. But yeah, we're back and we back once again. So very simple what happened. Yeah, I first wanna see a closure below this level. Once we can close below here, the next roadblock becomes this low, and the last roadblock we have will be this low over here. So 3 levels was a breakthrough, but I'm confident we can do it. Crash also going back above into that range, so this could have been just a liquidity sweep. Oh shit, yeah, bro. But I will admit though, I did drop a hectic bomb this weekend. It was insane. Yeah, see you guys. Let me just check on Michaela if she wants. Can I still get into boom? Up to you, Arno. Up to you. What's your rules? What's your rules? I don't know what's your rules for entry. I can't say anyone must enter or exit positions. I'm not a financial advisor. Baby, the eater. Okay. What's the weather like there today, JV? I actually haven't been outside yet, but it looks sunny. It looks a bit windy. Yesterday was pretty weird. It was yesterday morning. It started off sunny. Then it was raining, and then it was just like a windy day. Some of my friends said it's cold, but I told them that they don't know what's cold yet. They must go to Adelaide North to experience cold. I told them it's still warm in PE, bro. People think this is the cold. This is nothing. This is nothing. But I love rainy. Okay, damn. I'm stopped out there. Crash. That's a minus. So that's a stop there for me on crash. So now we're gonna wait on that next level to come through. So that's minus 13 pips. Minus 13 pips. So now we're gonna wait for this next level over here to get a reaction from it. So only boom on the table, yeah, only boom. and then maybe jumped in. But it is Monday, and this weekend I actually had you know when you've experienced something before and like this looks familiar. Yeah, so a similar thing I'm experiencing right now in the Deriv. It's like I've seen this happen before, where the moves are happening over the weekend, so we must just be very vigilant now Monday, especially like on crash. This massive move occurred over the weekend, that massive sell down. So beginning of the week Monday, inducement towards the downside is very likely, so we'll just patiently wait and see what we can get here. IGJ Whistle, JVT no longer trade currency indices on stream. We'll see what happens, my man. We'll see. Currently, this is where I've made most of my money. So if the Deriv wants to offer us a deal to continue streaming synthetics, I would happily do that. But if we can get some sort of deal with another broker or something to maybe promote them, then I would trade currencies online or live on stream. But it all depends on like how it's benefiting who, if it's benefiting me as well. Like I do understand there's a lot of people who need who want to trade currencies and stuff like that, but it's just not like, I would say it's not my thing because I love currencies, but I love synthetic indices even more than currencies, you know. So so that's my only thing basically. If there's something worthwhile for me to do it online, then I would, you know. For instance, make an example. Let's say for instance we stream currencies, indices and so forth online for a specific broker. If they can sponsor us a venue, if let's say once a month, for us to do a seminar, then I would happily do it, where I can happily do things online for you guys and actually meet up with you later that week, where I put in the physical effort, but from a financial standpoint they actually put in the effort. If sometimes I say I'm here to get them, I'll be the one here to get them clients, they must just put in the effort into their marketing basically, you know. That's what I'm trying to say. But if no one gets me, like there are talks, but if nothing actually happens, and then I'm just gonna have to do is how I want to do it, and then unfortunately people won't like the way that has to happen, but then unfortunately that's the route we'll have to take. New video dropped by Ed, how to calculate lot sizes for forex. Please go support the brother over there. I know I'm gonna go drop my like already and save this for later. Hey, you're also growing, eh? You're also almost at a quarter way to 1,000, almost at 250. So one of two things can happen now, either on crash. So as you can see, look at that red line, price never closed above it. So the security sweep could still be further extended, right? Now if price does break below this level, break above this level, and you have a retracement, I would still consider taking a long, because remember, okay, I'm not gonna go deep into it now. If you understand the methodology, then you will get it. Oh yeah, and also I'll be dropping a course in August specifically dedicated to synthetic indices, the lot sizes, the pips, specifically on synthetic indices, and basically how I use it to flip my accounts. It will only be limited to 10 people, the strategy, so you guys must see how you guys do that. We'll be put this way, first come will be first serve. Hey, boom, also pushing towards the upside there. Boom, also pushing to the upside. Are we gonna eat 2 stops here today? Are we gonna eat 2 stops? And like I told you guys, I'm still game. You will look for the entries. And boom, the next move is up there. Currently just taking a case of this liquidity sweep. So let's see if we survive this one. Let's see if we survive this one. actually. I think the best thing to do is just crash this trade here, -24. It is Monday, we're very early in the week and it's still very early. So I think they're still pushing that move. So I closed boom there for -24. So I don't think we're gonna take anything for this session. I think we're rather gonna wait. Let me quickly do some calculations there. Calculator. So that was 13 pips. That is 24 pips. That is 37 pips down. 37 pips down. 37 pips. Okay, yeah, I see we're starting to get into some big numbers here on the scoreboard. So I think I'm gonna have to start. I have to find another way to edit it. You guys will see the updated score now. So far we've taken 7 winning trades on the stream. We've taken 3 break evens. We've taken 11 stop losses. That sounds hectic. But in total we've scored 385 pips and we've only lost 140 pips. So still overall up on the account. And there you have it. There's the updated scoreboard. Hey Jerry, hope you're doing good, man. Hope you're doing good. So boom, actually the market's looking very choppy for me there. I just actually closed it over there. I don't want to see it. The reason why, because they look very similar to crash, and the way I see it is like it's a double top now here on top. So a lot of people looking to sell those Asian highs. So I would rather close my trade there than actually be stopped out, having it disrespect my stop. I want to see it trade all the way up a bit more towards that level over there, 250. So it's 250 pips more up to the upside. Something I'm willing to wait for, especially since it's Monday, because we could see something like this happen: move up, retrace, move up, retrace, and then move into the next day, and then only see price head there tomorrow to give us that reversal to head in for that Wednesday, Thursday, Friday type of move, and then on crash. I'm gonna see what's gonna happen here, where the price will continue forming lower lows. So we'll see now where the price will actually close above this level, and if it does close above, I'll wait for a retrace. A retracement so I can go for longs. But if it basically does this, then I will look for it to come sweep this zone and look for re-entry before looking to take another trade basically. And then on jump 10, basically I want to see price trade into this low over here. So if we just mark out the Asian session, you would see Asian highs untested. There's the high and low, and now we're just waiting for price to tap that level down there before looking for longs. And then on step, still waiting. I want to most likely see it sweep above the high and see what reaction did they give us. But from there we can see this was actually beautiful. We had a nice little break of structure, engineered liquidity, bullish movement, so leaving us with this demand zone down here. So we'll see what happens. Please have a look at volatility 100. Volatility 100. Let's see volatility 100. Interesting pattern. I think you posted this yesterday, Jirian, eh? They swept that high, didn't tap that. Okay, so they swept this high. This was your supply. So that's the high over there. Low was created. 10.25. Asia high, Asia low, both untested. You want to see price break above the box for sells. This looks very interesting, yeah. I would say when price gets into that level, I will start looking for that reaction on the 1 minute. Start selling once you can just see price respect this level. And I would look for sells from that point on. Jay, we'll check you in NY station, got some stuff to do. Please bro, all good my man, all good my man. Yes, in the 4 hour they entered the fair value gap area. Rwanda Blanche, welcome my man, welcome. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing good. Okay, so crash. Let's see if we can get you on crash. I just don't trust these pairs, man. I don't trust them. That's what our other pairs are doing. What's jump 50 doing? Jump 50. Stuck in the box there on jump 50. Like I told you guys, it's Monday, so there's no need for us to rush anything. You guys saw what happened here on Crash and Boom because of rushing things. They're rather gonna wait for price to travel a bit. Jeff, please check jump 25 made new lows. Okay, let's see jump 25 making new lows. Oh. Yeah, I was in here yesterday and I got to break even, yeah, after the break of structure there. So I would still actually say, let's clean this up here because it looks messy. So we are trading in the fair value gap area here. So the thing is, it could become a magnet for price to continue pushing down. That's my only concern. However, if we look at it from the weekly structure standpoint, this is my rules actually being met here. So I might start looking for longs. Especially seeing this as that wait, what's it now? This level that I marked out. Yeah. This is the level with your liquidity. So it's either one of two things currently. The one, either price is gonna push down. So currently with that break below structure, see that this is the supply zone which price has left us with. So price should respect this now and then continue pushing to the downside if the supply is in control. But initially, if price breaks above this level, that's where we have the change of character coming through. So then if that does happen, I will wait for price to retrace these lows down here and start looking for my longs. So we'll see what happens now at these highs. Swift Asia on J25, yeah, Swift Asia. Okay, let's see. See, also would have been a different story, for instance, ne? Did if crash, if boom did something like this now, because technically, oh sorry. So technically, this is the high which it left over here. So if I can actually, so that's the break above that high. So it'll be great if I can actually just make a higher high, then change character. Then I would even consider taking it till here maybe. But yeah, man, it's like this. There are ways we can capitalize on it, but it's just really risky, man. I don't want to take that risk with you guys. I just have to do something here quickly. Just want to see something. So I'm just trying to figure something out here. Okay. Okay, so it looks like crash wants to start rejecting that point, but it also doesn't seem like it wants to reject that point. Kona Naidu, good morning, my brother. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing good. You know, guys, I'll be very honest with you. You guys know me. I'm a risk taker. I'm actually tempted to take crash again, crash 500, and run it at least till here. And so my idea is initially to go long. Stop is 15 pips, and then to Asian high. That's 1 to 4. That will be 62 pips. I'm very tempted to do it, purely because if price breaks above this level here, the worst that can happen is a retracement and then move up. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna execute that trade. Yeah. Purely based off that, let's see if it's gonna work out. If I get stopped here as well, then it's evident that if I get stopped here as well, then it's evident I must set it out to New York. See what I mean there also on boom. Okay, so if we can have boom come back below this level, yeah, I'll be good for a sell. So what I want to see is price do this now. Just want to see price do that. Seems to be acting up 25 minute supply. Let's supply. Okay, I see. Yeah, remember initially the lows are weak, so we could easily see price continue flushing towards the downside. However, interesting what I'm noting here now, we have divergence. So we'll see what happens. Now before I can go long, I first need to see price close above that level. I have to see it close above that level. So I just need to phone someone here. Mr. Chase. Should we phone Mr. Chase? to decide, do I want to stream tomorrow? Will I be streaming from home, from the office? Wood Angels Entertainment, welcome my brother, hope you're doing good, hope you're doing good. Gonna see what price does here. Even if price does something like this, eh? Then we can use a new zone of demand for reference. Crash gapping down there, but see it's happening, yeah. Okay, jump 50 now, pushing out of the zone. Sorry, I think it's gonna end now, so I'm gonna switch over. There's already so many copyright strikes on this account. Jason, what trade am I in? I took a short. Actually, that's gone. Yeah, sorry. So we took this boom here. We managed it. We closed it. Wanna see price close below this level over here, retrace, and then move to the downside. I hit a stop here and crash as well, but I took a re-entry. Purely on the fact that I want to see price close above this level. And if it does come back down, that will be my evidence that I have to keep on waiting for New York session for a new low to basically form. But that's the only trade I'm currently in, and we're waiting for jump 10 and for step to break out of the range, as well as waiting for V100 to go into the zone here on top. Weekend was chilled. I'm actually still very exhausted. Didn't get all the rest I wanted to get in. But yeah, it was chilled. How about your side? How was the weekend? Good, good. My 22nd birthday today. Oh, 22nd birthday. Happy birthday, Jason. Happy birthday, man. You must have a beautiful day. May God bless you. And I hope your friends and family spoil you to bits. But a more manly way to say it, cakes and candles, my brother. Cakes and candles. Why is it scary? Why is it scary? Adulting. Is that what scares you? Okay, just wanna see price close above here. Because the thing is also, guys, the initial move on crash that we are eyeing is for price to trade all the way up, all the way up to these highs here. So we're expecting like a 400 pip move to come in. So that's why I'm so aggressive. Gibson, big up Jeff. Welcome Gibson. Hope you're doing well, my brother. Thanks JV. Nah, welcome Jason. Welcome. Adulting is scary, bro. Adulting is scary. Jason, tell me quickly, are you in a relationship? Do you maybe have any kids yet? I don't think you have any kids yet, ne? Okay, crash pulling back down once again. Let's see, will this supply actually hold or will it fail? Will it hold or will it fail? Seven-year relationship, no kids yet. Okay, okay. So when are you gonna pop the question? When are you gonna ask her to marry you? Or did you already pop the question? 7 years is a long time, bro. Yo, 7 years is a long time. Me and Michaela just crossed 3 years on the 2nd of this month, and it's my longest relationship. So, bro, it's a beautiful experience, man. And Kobile, what's up, guys? Welcome, Kobile. Hope you're doing good. All is well on my side. Can't complain. Just waiting for crash to actually move to the upside. Yeah, being difficult this weekend. when finances can be worked out, I'll pop the question. So hey Z, Trevor, woke up late this morning, Marcus. Listen, now lovely to have you, Z. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate the support. Please like the stream. Please like the stream and share it with the fellow traders. I see we've been stuck on 30 likes for a while now. Some people say they have liked the stream. Okay, but so back to Jason's love life here. So Jason, I asked Jason when's he gonna pop the question, and he says when finances can be worked out, I'll pop the question. So Jason, I always wanted to marry Michaela, but also finances, and then it came that 1 month where I made 100,000 rand in 1 month, and we were like, yo, look here. So it was my little brother's matric farewell, and we went to Elwell North. So I was like, yo, look here, I'm moneyed up. It's the first time going back to Elwell North in a long time, and like I've actually made it now, I've actually made it now. And we go back there, bro. First things first, we get to Elwell North, go to my grandmother's house, and bro, we Nah, I'm just sharing my experience. Maybe you'll have a similar experience like me, and you'll do the same thing I did. So okay, a quick one. Before we went to Elwell North, we basically here in PE, and like the first withdrawal, I think it was something like a 10 or 9k or 12k, something like that. Get the money, trade, 49k. I trade, withdraw again, 36k, 10k again, and it's like I just keep on making these withdrawals. Go to Elwell North, bro. That was the first time I did shopping like that for anyone. So we bought groceries from my grandparents. We're there in ShopRite, big trolley. We start on the one side of the shop, and bro, we look at like in each like section of the aisles, and bro, I'm just adding things to this trolley, man. I'm just adding things to this trolley. After a while, I'm like, shit, we need another trolley. Bro, I've never bought so much groceries. Thinking back to it, like, I spent a lot on groceries that day. Anyway, we go home. We're having so much fun. It's like, shit, okay, what else do we need? Okay, Michaela needs some clothes. Buy Michaela some clothes. Now, here's the thing also, like, I made money, but I've never actually had, like, so much money now, So Michaela always wanted a gown. Now I always wanted to get a gown, but every single time our expenses never added up. So this time, I had money. I bought the two gowns. And then after buying her clothes, myself clothes, we get home. I'm like, shit, I forgot about my little brother. I tell my little brother, tomorrow's your turn. The next day with him, I go to the shops. I'm like, bro, you can have whatever you want. There's no budget, there's nothing, like you can grab whatever you want. I told, obviously, it's like don't go overboard now as well. Bought him a lot of clothes, and we head back home. Now I'm like, shit, what else do I do with this money? What else do I do? And then the question hit me, or then the thought hit me. Ask Michaela to marry you, get a ring. Bro, do you know how cool it felt, man? Like, so my friend works on American Swiss. I message him. I'm like, bro, look here. I want to ask you to marry me. I need an engagement ring, but I'm not so good with jewelry and stuff. I need you to help me. I need you to please like come like please check through inventory and see what I can have as a potential engagement ring. Now here's the thing also, Here's the thing. Before we went to Elwell North, Michaela wanted shoes. So I'm like, okay, you go look for shoes, I'll be right back. I don't tell her where I go to. So I go to American Swiss, and I want to go find out about the ring. And then she comes back looking for me, and then she catches me red-handed, in American Swiss looking for an engagement ring. So I'm like, no, I'm just looking for a ring. And then this lady there, she's like, nah, man, let's take your sizes, your ring sizes. So see, that was the cool thing. Then I had a ring size. And then going to Elwell North, speaking to my friend, like, her ring size is this, right? So it's also cool. My name is Michaela. Her ring size is an M. Can't forget that. Can't forget that. Like if you forget that, nah, then you're a bad boyfriend. But anyway, so eventually my friend sends me like pictures of all the engagement rings that I have, and I'm like, bro, I want that one. And it's like, okay, it's this is the price. I'm like, okay, cool, send me your banking details. I send him the money without even looking at the ring myself. He buys the ring, he brings it to me, and it's like Michaela had no idea. I had a ring, like the thing is like the ring was so close to the whole time, because also in L1 North, so I don't know where to actually put the ring. It's so close to the whole time, she never even knew that the ring is like right there. And then because I still had money left, I still had a lot of money left. My aunt was running this, so I don't know if you guys ever went to L1 North, the Riverside Lodge. Let me show you guys. So this section right here. So I don't know if you can see there in the back, there's the river. So this is the bridge that separates the Eastern Cape from the Free State. Very, very significant bridge in our lives. That's how it looks at night. L1 North's beautiful, guys. L1 North is beautiful. For such a small place, like, it is beautiful. So this is where the place basically is, the lodge. I booked out the entire place, like, not the entire place, but I wonder if I can see the section on here, which I booked out. So this section here. So there's about, I think there's about 10 or 12 tables. I booked out this entire section, so no one could go there that day when I proposed to her. So before we went there, my aunt, her husband, she got some of the staff involved. They put up balloons. They put up so many things, man, to make it special for her. We got there, and no, and then so we get there, and funny thing also, I have deja vu sometimes, right? Now, for those of you guys who don't know what deja vu is. So deja vu, a feeling that one has seen or heard something before, right? And then this is why our course or our slogan is called Clairvoyant Market Making. A person who claims a supernatural ability and perceive events in the future or beyond normal sensory contact. So I wouldn't say I believe I'm clairvoyant, but I've had many experiences where I've seen things happen before, and one of those things were actually like me proposing to her, and I was like, and every time I have deja vu, it's like in a phase of my life where I'm moving in the right direction, which is very interesting. So anyway, book out the place. I proposed to her. It was the most awkward thing ever. And our Brune, you know, I actually bought this little teddy, for like $300. Looking back to it, what a waste of money. Not that I'm regretting buying it, but like, yo, man, just thinking back to it, man, the amount of money I spent like that, and that feeling was unreal, man. And this is why, like, that's also what showed me the potential of what can happen with forex, man. You know, so yeah. So Jason, my girlfriend is listening. She said your story is really cute, bro. Yeah, nee, Jason, you moet tips van, bro. You must make it. You must like, bro. My thing is, I didn't have the most money in the world. Obviously, I spent money, but if I had more money, I would have done even more, you know. But like, the smallest things count the most, man. You know, it's the thought that counts. Hey, Etty, hope you're doing good. Conan says a glitch in the matrix. Yeah, nee, bro. So also, for those of you guys who don't know how I met Michaela, we actually had a very interesting story. So back in COVID, when COVID started, I made a post. I made a post on Facebook. I can't show you guys because that account of mine got banned from Facebook. I had to start a new account, so I lost all my old posts. But this one post that I made, I knew that it's gonna piss off so many people. That's the first time. I wouldn't say I went viral, but a post of mine performed that so well on Facebook. The post got something like 4,000 reactions, more than 1,000 shares, over 1,000 comments, and these people are attacking me. They're attacking me on what I'm saying about COVID and the government, you know. And then eventually it gets to the point where there was this clique of people in Cape Town who were quote unquote conspiracy theorists, and so obviously now I was like, oh, this is my tribe, you know. And then there was this guys like Dean Ambrose, Levert, who's now my brother-in-law. I also met my sister-in-law like that. Okay, so Michaela's sister. So I actually met Michaela's sister before I met Michaela. So Michaela's sister was this chick now who, like, bro, guys, she was ruthless. This chick, she was ruthless when it came to speaking truth. Like, she spoke her mind. And then I was like, she's a cool chick, you know. So obviously, like, we're gathering all these people together. And then obviously, like, I went through her profile and I noticed that she has a sister, this chick with dreadlocks. Now I used to be a stoner, so that really caught my attention, you know. And now I see her sister with dreadlocks whenever the case. So I go to her sister's profile and I see Michaela, and like she has like an animated profile picture on it, and I thought maybe like it's a filter that she had of herself, maybe made through like AI or something like that, ne? And I DM her on Facebook, and then we've never met before in person. We started talking, and then one day this guy messaged me and said, Jevon, I want you to come to Laingsburg and meet up with us. So if actually you haven't so if you guys want to, you can actually go check out this video with myself and Simon. We had a little discussion. Okay, that was the one we went live. Okay, it's the same one, yes. So yeah, we basically spoke about a few things, and I went all the way from here to Laingsburg, and that's where I met her. Hey Nazim, hope you're doing good, man. Hope you're doing good. And mind you also, guys, the first time I saw Michaela, we saw each other in Laingsburg. We've spent every single day together since up until now. So this is why I always encourage young men, if you find a woman that's good and you love her and she loves you, don't mess it up. Try and settle down as soon as you can, and you'll see how beautiful it is. Yo, you guys seeing on other side of Jevon here today. Okay, so price close above that level. Let's see if we can just run a 1-to-1. I'll start minimizing my risk. You know, there were so many little people in here now, ne? There were only on my side. It showed there's only 8 people. Then we started talking about Jason's love life, and now there's so many people who joined in. I don't know if the stream is gonna be a trading channel or a matchmaking stream eventually. Easy, bro. I try to be, bruh. I'm just trying to be a good man. I'm good, Jeff. Hope you're doing well. I'm good, Nazim. Can't complain, man. Can't complain. I feel like with life itself and like relationships and so forth, for me, the biggest goal is to find someone I love, have a child or children, and literally be someone for them. And it's gonna sound weird, it's hard to explain it, is to be someone for them that I never had. Meaning all the things I've always wanted, all the things I've ever wanted from my parents and so forth, that I couldn't get, I want to now pass it on to my children, basically. And don't take it the wrong way, this is not me having a child so I can fix my trauma. No. Trauma had to be fixed before baby comes. See ya, peasy. Away, Jeff. Away, man. Hope you're doing good. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much, man. Really appreciate it. Yeah, that's a mature way to look at it. Most people allow the shit to carry through. The kids suffer from the same things they suffer from. Conan Naidu. Do I still smoke? No, I don't. I went cold turkey. It's been a while now. Yeah, Jason, like, it's hectic, man. Like, for instance, there's a saying that goes, if you can't love yourself, how are you gonna love someone else? If you can't be confident in yourself, how are you gonna be confident for someone else, you know? I feel like that's the biggest mistake people make. Here's a good way to put it. People would have kids, né? And to make them a mini version of themselves, but they forget that a child is gonna have their own personality, for instance, né? And also, what people must understand is before they have children, I understand I don't have our baby still on the way, but there's still things I had to realize along my journey, that a child is not something that you can play with, and when you're done playing with it, you put it down like a doll. You know, that doesn't work like that. Okay, just gonna see quickly what's gonna happen here on Crash. I just wanna run through the tutorial quickly. So that'll be 15 pips, and we'll basically recover that stop here, and then we should just see another run to basically make up for boom. Jason, where's my TP? So my TP is all the way at the Asian high. 62 pips. So technically this will make up for, if this runs to Asian high, will make up for our two stops there on boom and crash. Okay, beautiful crash. Beautiful. Let's see if we can get break even soon. I'm getting cold in this room. Since you have that makes sense though. Yo, Michaela has the windows open there on the inside. It's freezing. I would rather, she's like, fresh air. We need fresh air in the house. I would rather suffocate than be cold. Calculate something. 2000 divided by 3. Okay, we still have a long way to go with this channel. Look at it. Look at that risk management on the scoreboard. Well done, Jiv. Nah, thank you. Thank you, Z. Thank you. I was actually updated. I actually forgot how it said I must do it. So I'm thinking about it. It's a new week. So I'm still thinking about how I'm gonna do this, man. I think it had an idea on how I should do it. I must just speak to him again. But yeah, I'll be edited, so later on you'll see that the I just don't want it to get to the point where it's like net loss 3,000 pips, net wins 10,000 pips, and there's too many numbers. I want to keep it like, you know, so if you go back on the stream the whole time and you do the math, I mean, you do the math, you know. That's the idea with it. And thank you, Z, appreciate it. Come on guys, let's see if we can share the link with a few more people. Let's see if we can get the stream to 50 likes for the day. We have add monthly below all the add monthly the all time. Okay, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Yeah, I see what you mean. Then maybe like somewhere in December we do like one special stream with a special layout that basically just shows the net pips for the year, for instance, and then we start fresh again next year, month to month, and then end of next year we do the same thing. Okay, but I'll still speak to you about it. I'll still talk to you about it. Just to, yeah, I'm a bit slow sometimes, guys. Not really, like a bit slow sometimes. Come on guys, only 11 more likes to go, and then we're at 50 likes. That's a target for us here. We still have like an hour and a half left on stream. So come on, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's show YouTube let's show the YouTube algorithm that we have an audience. More people want to see this, so that we actually reach more people. 40. Yeah, you see, you guys are here. You guys are here with the likes. 41. 9 more to go. Now you see. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it. 42. Nah, beautiful. You see guys, teamwork makes the dream work. 43. Beautiful. 44. 6 more to go, guys. Only 6 more to go. If you all know one trader friend, share the link with him. Have them like and subscribe. Just one person. I'm at 1 hour already. Can I set BE? Jason, yes you can. I'm just waiting for it to close slightly. Like I'm just waiting for literally like 1.5 pips. And maybe have a little pullback. Now I have to wait a bit longer. But I think I'm actually gonna minimize my risk here. To only 6 pips. Okay, just a quick note there. Trying to get my little brother to come on stream, giving him 200 rand to flip. Beautiful. If he doesn't have an account yet, Jason, if he doesn't have an account, if he does not have an account with Deriv yet, send him this link. Send him this link. And open an account under me so that we can start showing Deriv that we can get people to them, and hopefully, who knows what benefits they can give us. Just need to tell me that the plumbers are on their way. It's okay, Jason. I didn't have one yet. But if I do get in contact with them some way somehow, I'll ask them to add you guys under me. Then obviously we'll just have to do some admin, all of us, and then yeah, just to make sure that we're all under the same umbrella, you know. Only 5 more likes, guys. Then we're at 50 likes, and then my day would be made, and I'll be happy. Oh, some pullbacks there, some pullbacks there. I actually didn't mark this out in the beginning of the week. Okay, interesting, interesting, interesting. Hey Jose, sorry about that man delay. I did see your message. I was just really busy. But thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. I think we're good for sailing. I think we're good for sailing. To the moon. To the moon. Levy, yo Levy. Okay, let's see quickly. Yeah, even more deeper pullback. Crash is being rude here today. Crash is being rude here. But I'm still good. I think I'm still good in the fact that we closed back above that that low, so something's up here. Alright. Jiv. Jiv is the supplies are just under entry as well. Might as well like a pullback before it shoots up. Yeah, that's the demand zone over here basically. So the supply to demand flip. You could see price reject this level before going up. That's initially why I didn't go break even on it as yet, because I still expect price to come here or it will miss and then just pop to the upside. Levy, loving the music, is now gonna light something here. We jamming. Levy, you can feel free to light whatever you want, my brother. There's only 2 more likes, guys, for 50 likes on the stream. If you guys can do that, it will be amazing. It will be amazing. Okay, guys, my plumber is here, so I just have to go fetch him at the gate. So I'll be back in like 3 minutes. I'm here, I'm here. I'm here. Oh, what's happening here? Okay, I'm gonna keep on holding it though, because yeah, I'm not gonna just stop, so manage it like I told you guys. If it goes down even more, that will confirm for me that we have to wait for another pullback. I'm just sorting out the plumbers quickly. I'll be back in 1 minute. Jiv, I'm in crash 1000 buys. Oh, what happened to the music? Is there no music playing here for you guys? Shame, man. I left you guys in the dark here.
Do you know what's hiding in your...
Someone said Jiv, I'm in crash 1000 buys at 550. Let me see. Crash 1000. Okay, V100 is almost in that zone. We'll have a look there now. Okay, we'll wait for price to actually go mitigate that zone. So that's been tapped. Okay, you can really see price diverging here, which is good. Which is really good. Okay, let's just see what price is gonna do when we get to these highs. It's gonna sweep above those highs. Crash. You see, for me, see, I want to see crash come all the way down to these lows here before I can buy it. So we did sweep below that level. You did have a break of structure, and you do have a demand zone here and institutional level. So this can definitely work out. It can definitely run in your direction. It's just not something I would per se take. So that's definitely something there. So here on boom, also you can see that break over here. So if we can now see price potentially retrace into this high over here, I would consider a trade to short it as well. And we finally did it, guys. 50 likes. Thank you very much, man. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Trying to think. Why can't I log into this account? Okay, we'll run the stream for about 15 more minutes, and then I'm probably gonna have to get busy this side. It's because that little you stress when you know why the market pulls back and when you have proper risk management. I noticed this since I've started with you, Jeff. Like, I don't worry as much about the drawdown or even stop outs. Yeah, because like, I mean, the profits that you make when you catch a move, like, they literally outweigh these small stops that you hit. We spoke about it the other day, your risk reward thing. So there's actually a table you can look at. Literally with the 30% win rate on a 1 to 3 you're profitable. On a 20% win rate catching 1 to 5s you are profitable. And this is initially why I'm profitable on these pairs, because of my high risk reward. Man, Conan, I still struggle to hold. It's a mental thing. It's a mental thing. It's a mental thing. Okay. So I'm just on support here as well. The V100 trade looks like it could play out. Yeah, still waiting for it to actually. No, sorry, where's it? Where's V100 now? Yeah, just waiting for it to actually go tap this level here, this over here, and actually sweep that high. Oh, I see. That's why there's no color on it. Yeah, bro, I'm way too emotional. Try not to get him. You shouldn't get too attached to the trades. Remember, Buddha once said, The root of the root of attachment is the root of all suffering. People listen to things. So when you get too attached to a trade, that's when the FOMO comes. That's when the over trading comes and over leveraging comes, because you are trading the belief and not what the market is actually showing you. So now this becomes our barrier over here. Once that crosses above there, I'll be happy to go break even then. You usually see in the 1 minute what's happening as well. Yeah, so quite a few things. Currently this is the first barrier. At 11 I'm closing the crash trade because I have to go to work and people measure properly. Now it's all good, Z. It's all good, my brother. All good. Yeah, I'm also gonna call the stream in 7 minutes, guys. In 7 minutes, we're gonna have to call it. We just need 181 more people for us to hit 1,000 subs. I think we can do that before end of the month. Definitely, definitely. I hope you guys catch some great pips. All good. Z, what's your shift? What time are you finishing up? Till 9, okay, noted. I take my lunch at 2:30 so I can catch NY session. They already know at work and I'm in the office. They already know at work. I'm in the office on the laptop at lunch. Yeah, yeah. This is part of the grind. It's part of the grind. We have to druk. Ons moet deurdruk. Few will understand this trader life. Okay guys, so to give you guys an idea there before we end off the stream, management, it's either price will now pull back. If I have another pullback and it comes to the zone here, I'll scratch it. But initially I want to see price move all the way up to this level over here basically. Once we get here, I'll go break even and I'll basically hold it. Once we're in this zone and price holds it as well, I'm look for sells. Most likely this will be sent to our members. And I'll see you guys again for New York session. Hopefully we catch something again. I'll be sorry, just I'll update you guys. Oh no. Okay. The Deriv is being difficult with me, young. Damn it, young. But alright guys, I'll see you guys for New York. Let's throw on our little jam here. Our theme song. Much love guys. I'll see you guys in New York session. And we'll catch these pups later on. You guys have the management. Keep an eye on the group. We'll see if we go live good early today. But always much love guys. I appreciate your support. Can't do this without you guys. Please share the link with your fellow traders from New York session. Let's get more people in here. Let's break these records and let's get to 1,000 subs. Much love guys. Cheers fam, see you in your session, solid session, checking in my Jeff, see you guys, check you guys. Check you guys.